Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, this week I am excited to bring you another giveaway. The folks at AUXBEAM reached out to me and asked me if I would like a 20-inch LED light bar to give away, and of course I said yes. They also included this harness. I haven't opened any of this. I'm going to do that now so you can see it. I've never had a manufacturer send me a harness before, so this is awesome news. Okay, pretty typical on-off switch. Everything you need to wire in this light bar. So I'm going to open this box and I'll show you what the bar looks like. Alright, I've got the box open, and as you can see, there's an inner box here. Just cut this open. And inside here is the light bar. And this box will be your hardware for attaching. Go ahead and pull the bar itself out. Bear with me a second. All right, because of the way this thing is packaged, I'm not gonna open it up all the way. I'm gonna leave that to the winner. But as you can see, pretty standard light bar, nice light bar, same one I have on my truck, although I think this one is a little bit bigger. Comes with a couple stickers. Anyway, since I had such an overwhelming response to my last giveaway video, I figured I'd do it again. I'm just gonna send out one this time. This light and this harness will go to the winner, but let's have a little fun this time. Hopefully you are a fan of my videos, whether it's the Ford Ranger, the Miata, the Prelude, the Mustang, the old Jeep, you name it. I've had a lot of videos, a lot of projects on the channel, but let's have a little fun. Why don't you, in the comments section, why don't you let me know how maybe my videos have helped or inspired you to get where you are today. I think that'd be, it would be really cool for me to find out that some of my videos are helping you out. And, even if you don't have a project or you haven't had a project very long, let me know how some of my videos may have inspired you. So in order to win this, I do ask a couple things: that you obviously like this video, that you are subscribed to me. I do want to make sure you are a subscriber. And, I'll go ahead and leave this contest open. Let's see, I'll leave this contest open until next Wednesday. And I'll put the date on the screen so there's no confusion. But anyway, I also want to thank AUXBEAM. So hopefully, well, actually, go to my Instagram if you have Instagram, and please start following me. It's Oh Yeah About That. And as a favor to me and to AUXBEAM, if you could also like their page, it's very easy to find. That would be awesome. So once again, I have a 20-inch LED light bar that I'm going to give away. Write me a story. Flood me with comments, and I read each and every single one of them. And let me know how maybe you've been inspired by some of my videos in the past. So after the contest closes, I'll make a decision, and next week's video will be me posting the winner. So let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully you're as excited about this as I am. I love being able to do this. So until next week, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Hey, I'll see you on the flip side. Hey.